Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 80 to the power of 12 divided by 40 to the power of 24, and we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working here. So the very first step we are going to do is here we solve this problem for two methods, and now we will discuss our method number one, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, please write into the comment section. So here we first need to focus on the basis of this term. So this is 80, and we know that 5 times of 16 becomes here 80, and its exponent is 12, and it is divided by this is 40, and we know that 5 times of 8 becomes 40, and its exponent is 24. So here we can apply the exponent law. You know that if we have a multiplied by b to the power of m, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, we will break both of these exponents, and it will be written as 5 to the power of 12 multiplied by 16 to the power of 12 divided by 5 to the power of 24 multiplied by 8 to the power of 24. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we apply another exponent law. You know that if we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, so we have this law have two cases. The first case is if over m is greater than n, then the output of this exponent law is equals to a to the power of m minus n. And our second case is that if over m is less than n, then the output of this law is 1 over a to the power of n minus m. Okay, so these are the two cases of this nice exponent law. So according to this, you see here the exponent 12 is less than 24, so we move this 12 to the sides of 24, and it will be written as, but here we have 5 to the power of 12 divided by 5 to the power of 24, and here sorry, here we can apply this exponent law on here because these are the two same exponents. So now we write this 16 as 2 to the power of 4, and its whole exponent is 12 divided by, we write this 8 as 2 cubed, and its whole exponent is 24. So first we make these two terms have same basis, and after that we will apply this exponent law. Okay, so that now this 12 is moved by 24, and it will be written as 1 over 5 to the power of 24 minus 12. And here we apply another exponent law. You see here we have exponent to the exponent. We will apply here this exponent law. So if we have exponent to the exponent, so these exponents are multiplied by each other, and we will obtain here a to the power of mn equals to m times of n. So we multiply 4 times of 12, so 4 times of 12 equals to 48, and similarly 3 times of 24 equals to 72. And now further you see here again we have these two terms have same basis, so we move this 48 to 72, and it will be written as, here you have 5 to the power of 24 minus 12, so we will obtain here 5 to the power of 12. So this is 2 to the power of 48, we move 48 here, and it will be written as 1 over 2 to the power of 72 minus 48. So now in the next step we have, this is 1 over 5 to the power of 12 and 1 over 2 to the power of 72 minus 48 equals to 24. So here we need to make the exponents are same of this term, so we rewrite these term as 1 over 5 to the power of 12 multiplied by 1 over we write this 24 as 12 times of 2. So we again apply the exponent law and we write this term as 1 over 5 to the power of 12 multiplied by 2 square and its whole exponent is 12. Okay, we write this term here in this form. So you see here these two exponents are same, so we combine these two exponents and it will be written as 1 over 5 multiplied by this 2 square equals to 4 and its whole exponent is 12. So you see here 5 times of 4 becomes 20 to the power of 12. So this is our final answer, and now we write this answer into another form. This is 12 to 20 to the power of minus 12. So these are the final answer of this question which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method and we again solve this problem. So now we move towards our second method. So in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 80 to the power of 12 divided by 40 to the power of 24. So in second method we again focus on the basis of these terms, and now here we break our base as this is 80 and we write our 80 as 4 times of 20. We know that 4 times of 20 becomes 80 and its exponent is 12. Here we have 40 and we write it as 2 times of 20 becomes here 40 and its exponent is 24. So further we can apply here this exponent law. If you have a multiplied by b and its whole exponent is m, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of m. So according to this exponent law, we can just apply this exponent separately on both of these terms and it will be written as 4 to the power of 12 multiplied by 20 to the power of 12 divided by 2 to the power of 24 multiplied by 20 to the power of 24. So now we rewrite this 4 as 2 square and its exponent is 12, and here we apply the exponent law. So the exponent of 12 is lesser than 24, so we move 12 to the 24 sides and it will be written as 2 to the power of 24 multiplied by 20 to the power of 24 minus 12. Okay, so in the next step we multiply these two exponents and you see here 2 times of 12 becomes 24 and it is divided by 2 to the power of 24 multiplied by 20 to the power of 24 minus 12 equals to 12. So this term is cancelled out by this term and we have 1 over 20 to the power of 12, or in other words we write this term as 20 to the power of minus 12. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.